Hey again. In the previous video we done from the part of add and we was able to add in units and everything was cool. Now I want to see the node that I added here. So what I will do, I just go to the DB manager and I create a new function, and this function I will name it a query because I would use it for get a query from the database. So this query will take number of things. First parameter will be the projection. A projection mean which column you want to get. Okay, like you send set of columns and he give you like I need name, I need ID, whatever, you send it to it. So because this in this way, so you have to just send it as an array of string because number of columns. And the second parameter is selection. Okay, the selection mean which rows you want to select. So you say selection. Also again the selection have to be array of string. Okay, and the third parameter, do I want sort or not? So I say sort order, then also string. If I want to sort the data that I got it or not, increment or decrement or whatever, the data I return it should be cursor. Cursor, you will see it just look like table and you just move through the data. So how to do? I say val db or qb, whatever, say SQL, right, query, define SQLite query builder, and you don't send it anything. Then you say qb dot the table name that you want to execute the information on it. So just tb okay, db table name, the table that I want to read from it. Then you define your variable for cursor. So you may say my cursor, I just want to run query on this database, qb.query. I would send some information. First of all, I send the database, which is SQLDB, that you already know about it. We just already initialized from here. The second parameter I send this should be the projection, so make sure pass the projection. Third parameter, the selection that I want to do it. Fourth parameter, I don't care about it, null. 5 parameter null, I'm not using it for now, and I send the sorted, whatever, this one, sort order. So it's really easy to get any data from the database. You just send which column you want, which rows you want, do you want it order or not. Here is just a great SQL builder, which table he want to run the SQL statement. He define a query for it, and I think he is good now. But why he give me error now? So waiting here, see what is the error. He say function, create function. Why he just doing this one? SQLite query builder. This is correct. I'm sending projection and selection. I think he always need the selection argument. So I need the selection should be string. This selection arguments, and also I send him the selection which is string. Okay, so number of parameter. So selection which column and how he send them. So he have to send selection and he have to send also the selection argument. Okay, then he send null. So this is how this one work. When he execute that result, he just return the cursor for me. And you will understand in a second. Think about have a table. What you want to get? You want to get number of column, name and ID. So you send him array of name and ID. Which rows you want? You just how you filter the data. Then how everyone is represented. So this is the function to call it. Where I have to call it? Let me suppose I go to the main page, which is main activity, and let me start just calling added here in the main page. Let me suppose I just add the code for now here. So load from database. So you say how I load the information from the database is first of all you get instance. You say variable db connect or whatever. How the same way that we did it in this Do you see how we did it in this method? When we read it from the database, where is it? In this method, when he read it from the database, what he did, he just say DB manager, then he passed the data. Same thing you do it here. You say, hey, in the load, I define my DB manager, then I want to do selection. So in selection here, I would do some details or some work for it's better for me to move it to function. So I would suppose have a function, name it load from the load query, because as I told you, I want to call from more than one place, so it's better for me to add this function here, and I just as startup I just called from main method. So load query, I just define my instance of the data of the database, but to send the information I have to define number of things. First of all, I define the selection argument, how I select. So I say var selection rx argument. I want return, because this one array, so I say array of what? Array of return anything he send it, anything he just like anything without any what. Okay, return here whatever he sent here in this query. So let me suppose I just get something here, which is the title and the title string. So return any title you get it, array of it, and that's, I don't have too much to say, just title. So when here he call it, for now I just want to get everything, I just send %. That means bring me anything. So this is the selection argument. The second thing, what I want, I just run my cursor. I say, hey, var cursor will be equal. I have the DB manager. I say dot query. The query get number of parameters, as you know. The first one I send it null. I don't care about this the projection. I need all the columns. If you just need all the columns, I don't need specific column. I need all the columns. So in the projection, just send it null. That means I need all the columns. So that's good. And you need all the column. Then the second parameter you pass the selection statement. So I need a select according title. So I say, if you see here is the title, I say, hey, select the title like the one you get it here. So like the selection argument, but you have to say this semicolon. So you will replace this one instead of that one. Then other parameter, I don't think I'm using them, the other parameters. What I have just order. You could say I could select order or not, des whatever, disc. Hopefully this one will work. Yes, des, or you get how the column name you want to order on it. I want to order according to the titles, so just send it the title. So really easy and straightforward the process, but I don't know what is the problem here. No, okay, I'm saying, hey, I want to search in the database for the title like this semicolon, and this coming here. So if he send Hussein, he will search for title like Hussein. If I send semicolon, he say title like that one. So if you just think about, you have two parameters. You say and name like this one. So if you have, in this case, you have to pass here the name, and he will already understand. He will replace the name instead of this one. So this is thing, if you just want to pass more than one parameter. If this one represents first character, if you add the second one, represents second object in the array, and continue. So now finally the cursor will have all the information about the things that we needed. So you say, hey, if the cursor dot move first, I just move it to first element in the cursor because it just looks like a table. You go to the first element of the table, then I just start doing things. I say, hey, do, then I say while if you have data, please move. So I say cursor dot next, okay, or move to next. So what I have to do now, do you remember how we added the data? Those old design. So let me just stop these 3 lines and use my new design. So And adding data, I'm just being here. I have the information, I have ID, and I have everything in this cursor. So if I define my value for ID, if I wanted, so I could find it in the cursor. So just how to get it? Okay, say cursor dot get ID, in this way, sorry, you say cursor dot get init, then you give it the cursor name. Say cursor dot get column by index, then you give it the index of the column, which is string. I have it ID here. You do same thing for all other properties, ID, name, other thing. So what's the second one? The second one is the title. Say, hey, bring the title, get title is a string, so I say get string. So column index the title, same thing. You just do for the description. You say, hey, get me the description and get string, because the description is string. So get string depend on that one. So because it's cursor, you go to the first cursor, you get ID, title, description. You take the ID, you pass it here. You take the title, you pass it here. You take the description, you pass it here. And I know too much work here. You have to remove it. Wow. Yes, here is it. So you just pass it, add it here, and you continue. But make sure before you do all this process, make sure to clean your adapter list, because you need every time you will load them with the data. So first of all, you just clean them. Then now your adapter, your array is updated. You just could send it to the adapter that you have it. This adapter, you just take it. When you're done, send it to the adapter. And yeah, you just take it. You can just take these two lines now and move them here. So he will go to the database, get all the data, and load it. So now everything is good. But I think here we will have a problem, because if you go to query, he expects to have something in a projection. So it's better to send them the columns. So in the same way that we do it here, I just define, I say val should be projection. It should be array of. So he send which columns you want to get, not array list, array of. So you say which column you want to get. I need to get this column from database. I want to get this column from the table, and I want to get the third column also from the table. So just define the columns that you want to get instead of this one. Then I click run to see the result. Now here you go, just load both of them here. Now let me just also support the search. So if you see, I'm just start sending, and also I go to the search, I add something to do. I said I will get the query. So I just pass the query between these two signs. Why I pass between two signs? Because when this one in the database mean anything, like if you say H, if you send H, he will bring any word has a H. If you send HU, he will send any word have HU. If you want like some name begin with H, you will add it after it. That's mean anyone H, then anything after it. And then you send it HU, anyone HU, start with HU and anything after it. But I want to get anything by general in the search also. So let me just run it again. Hopefully this time everything is cool, and we done the searching also, and that is good sign for us. We been in good steps here and in good place here in our work. So yeah, that we see. Yeah, so if I just search for go, not go, I say dental. Search, he just bring dental for me. See, he show me. If I just try to add, I say meet with my home, whatever, home friend. I need to meet with my friends in home or whatever. You just click save and it should be added in the database, but you don't see it now. You just have to search for it. So I said if you just click by general, you have to say meet with my friend, whatever. This is you added. So what if you want to just get the general thing, that you need even when someone like always he lose the last thing. If you see, if you just click this one, you don't show you anything. Now we want to work more on this one in next video and make it more professional. So here we see